Not so long ago in our beautiful motherland, a thriving industry that proudly shaped the nation's skyline now stands at a crossroads, battered by the relentless storms of a crisis, languishing in uncertainty. Yet amid the rubble, a glimmer of hope emerges, for we find ourselves at a pivotal moment, an opportunity to revive the industry, breathing life into its once illustrious past and propelling it to even greater heights. To rebuild what has been lost, to rekindle the flames of creativity. The power lies in the hands of its people, united by the magic of collaboration. Amidst the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, the power to revive resides deep within you, within us. As we come together and collaborate with our hands intertwined, we shall transcend mere resilience and boldly thrive. The Sri Lanka Institute of Architects, as the pioneer in construction and architectural exhibitions in Sri Lanka, is thrilled to mark its remarkable 42nd year in celebrating architecture in all its grandeur. The Architect 24 annual sessions are set to take place at the BMICH from 22nd to 25th February 2024, featuring an inaugural ceremony, a national conference, an awe-inspiring exhibition, the annual general meeting and the Introducing Architect 24 Design Week. This year, the Architect's Work, Lifestyle and Trade exhibition unfolds across 3 character areas. Hall C and F will host an eclectic array of lifestyle and trade stalls, together with an open forum for stimulating discussions and lively engagement. Main halls A and B will take center stage, showcasing a splendid blend of trade stalls and architects' work. A series of clusters featuring an exciting lineup of activities, including 6 distinct trade stall clusters, a lifestyle market cluster that supports SMERS, fusion of flavors at the food carnival cluster, and the excitement of the fashion and entertainment cluster, all offering vibrant experiences just for you. These clusters are a novel initiative to bring together sponsors, stallholders, architects and talented students from the 4 architecture schools in a collaborative space to provide the audience with a more interactive touch and feel experience. Join us at Architect 24 as we set out to reshape our industry. Let us all join forces to revive, collaborate and thrive.
you.